Hi guys, I'm Bella. I was a contestant and a judge during A Voice of the Valleys. That's what Talent Search Cymru started off as. And yeah, I've basically gone on from there. I'm now out gigging full time. Well, that was before the pandemic, but it's just nice to see so many young artists and even, older artists coming out and just trying new things. And it's Talent Search Cymru is the right place to do that. So just have fun, be yourselves, don't be afraid to take risks and just bring it basically, and the rest will just come. If you want any advice whatsoever, my inbox is always open and you feel free to drop me a message and I'll give any advice if I can, or if I don't know, I know amazing singers as well that I could pass you on to. But yeah, just huge good luck everyone. It's not easy getting up on the stage or even posting a video for the first time or even the first 5 times. It is so daunting, but just be yourself, and the more you do it, the easier it gets, because if it's something that you really want to do and it's something that you are passionate about, go for it. Don't ever give up.